they went to visit Iyamoka. A lot of people were trying to convince me that that video was an old video. My people, that video is a new video. That video was done the first day. Day before yesterday, and I do that video, then they visit that woman. You understand? Okay. The thing is this. The reason why I'm sending this message straight direct to Ehan Association. Ehan, one body. Ehan, one body. Ehan, one body. So, I believe you guys are one body. You understand me? So, I'm going to listen. I'm going to share this video. I'm going to share and go give their president. Because I believe not be money to hold that woman for house. Even that woman even get BP high, BP low, BP sharp. He's supposed to be hospital bed. She's supposed to be hospitalized by now, be taken proper care of in that hospital. Not before house. Not before a house. Not be money be the problem. You understand? Not be money be problem. Money day. Not be money be problem. That woman supposed to be hospital. They go they treat her. We're supposed to see some people they go visit her for a hospital. They go see how they feel, how she's faring in the hospital bed. By now, but she's still being at home. Something is wrong somewhere. Is it that the money where they contribute, the children don't chop them? Not be like I'm going to tell ourselves the truth. I'm not saying about this man. I'm not the fear to fuck nyash. And they talk on the way it be. Now, according to the video I watched from Easy Omoriji, said Christy Jesu Abu Baka, all those they take care of it. Now they carry the woman, they go hospital, they carry and they come back. What are they still waiting? Why they not admit that woman for a hospital? What do they carry and they go hospital, they carry and they come back? Now house is from one way. Now house, now from one way. Now house, if I did be around, you understand what? If you got a rest in peace, may God forbid. You understand? What was doing is what doing well. Oh, you Bobby Gwen for finish work. You know that. You understand? How would you care, man? I'm going to the hospital where I bow. What's all that? Where one need the you supposed to do the needful. You supposed to do the needful, do the right thing. Hospital, redo. Eke, more hospital, more ajowa. More hospital, more ajowa. Admit her for hospital, they take her off. This one, no be only one body. Now the general public, all their those all over the world, they want to see that woman in a good condition. You understand? Not money be the issue. Can I go better hospital? Great men of those all over the world, they have contributed money to make sure that woman is well treated. So what are you possibly waiting for? You will not buy what they have to paracetamol now. I don't want to hear this should be the work of Ehan. I can was someone you no hear more na hospital. Was someone you no more talk about you go big. I can't be a relative. You go work not to be because we are here we drive in case of anything that I needed. That's the reason why I can't be a relative. Somebody should at least the president. I can wear someone where sure he did a good health. That is what the those all over the world wants. Ni ma na ari ogo nuwa ni ma ni tin we ya sore we even na na sunu ma de latian that way can you go there e can there figo your of your latian by keeping her home we are not happy all what be hanara wa mu at the hospital by now 1 month plus now close to 1 month where oh here could balance diet in why he say you go ani me I found out this night said that day before yesterday they do that video. The person who do that video, he watched the video where they say na old video. They have to call me and say, now day before yesterday they do that video. You understand? Which is very bad. Why did you feel where you go? They will not be happy. They should be happy seeing that woman in a good condition, seeing that woman in the hospital, receiving treatment. You understand? Although many people's mind will be thinking negative. Mind not bad. I want to know one more hospital. Otiyo no dioriwa. Abidodo sono dioriwa otiyo nekrino. Onirewa, obiyerewa. They should stand with that woman so that they treat that woman well. Keeping her at home, it won't make sense. At home hospital union. It really know you myself who will still come out and donate money and make sure she see healed. Why am I wearing? Area more hospital. Area go more. Area people low. Area people high. People are low. I'm more hospital. I stay hospital. No, you are wrong. Why am I hospital? No hospital beds. He will be distributing treatment every blessed day. I will drip in every everything will be feast on our body. I feel saying that they are working on her. Kwa mwa ajo wa do mututa yewa. No, the message not for her. I will tell you the reason why this message for her. Me not know the pikin. I don't even know your husband self. I don't know your sister. You understand? If not for her, we don't know the woman. Let's call a spade a spade. If not for the Benin moving industry, we doesn't know Orobosa. You understand me so? I give about you somewhere. Even my home you understand? What you will know and say they do. Now make people bring out money to make sure that she's healed. And she's doing it perfectly in her job. So, and the people will still make us will make people fall out. And because of that movie industry, they make us people fall out, bring money come out. That's the reason why they are supposed to be the ones who say, okay, they will put the body on them because now they are member. And treat her. Since they don't feel we still don't say, man, brother, you command okay, everything not balance for us. We will still fly out, we say we'll still get small things, we'll still put them together. You understand? That is the reason why we donate, and they're supposed to be our representative for that house. The area is supposed to be the people in the diaspora representative by treating that woman well. Still make us say, we will get joy. Things gonna move well. By keeping her at home, we are not happy. A lot of people are not happy. That video, not many people don't send me that video. Not many people send me that video. And they send me. That's what they say, what did they happen? What did they happen? What did they happen? Did they really ask you questions? What did they happen about this one? I say I'll be one of the family member. You don't understand? Not be lying. I laugh in another now when you see. I don't know the bar at all. I don't know the bar. Because okay, the other day, this 3 days ago now, Ultimate Empire, they reached there. The woman said that the amount they did 2 million. All this one give her 700. You understand? They give her 700. And for here we bring her 1.9. How much be that one? Not be 2.6. And the NCA Twitter give her 500. That not be 3.1. Started by 100. That not be 3.2. I just calculate the one way I see for Facebook so. The one I just see, the one I just see. Never talk of the one where this guy Asaburo talk show. The one where they break them up for that one platform. Never talk of this guy Lakoko almost grades almost about 500 for Lakoko platform, 300 for Lakoko platform. Did you feel me? Nobody will still come out for a no gateway platform. Many platforms like that. Even at what do they call them? VNV, the same thing. A lot of people all over the world now do close to 6 million or 5 million. So what is she still doing at home? She's supposed to go to the best hospital, if possible, fly and go Abuja to make sure she get the best treatment. So that the people will bring money, they get joy. They go to see say, ah, the thing they spend money put, the thing they work well. They go to get you. Next time you bring that person come out. Now one hand I will put money. Because they know say, okay, Ehan is there, they can make sure say they give this woman the best treatment so far. That's what they want. You know, that woman, this will really get that opportunity. They'll feel that woman come UK or come Canada or come US or come Europe to come treat her. If they get the opportunity, so they will get wings. If you use wings, could take carry and fly apart. Oh God, because I don't get plantain leave here. Understand? Understand? I know the truth now. You feel me? I bet. Now one bed. We not treat that woman well. We not treat her well because a lot of people don't really get interest with that woman case. We don't want to hear story. We don't want to just hear story at all. Okay. Rita, Ritotos give her. Ritoto. What's Ritoto again? Ritoto. Oh, I don't mind. That doesn't mean on this right. 300. You understand? That one, she give her 300. She said the money did. They treat that woman. Don't be liar. I just got beg now. I beg we see the beg. We see the beg, Jonah. When I treat her well, when I carry her to hospital, not be someone put her for house. Not someone put her for house. They say we need 2 million. We don't already hear saying 2 million I need. We don't already hear. When I carry her to hospital, they go do treatment. Not be doctor saying treat 2 million. When I go to the doctor, 2 million don't come. Oh yeah, let's start the treatment. You understand? Not be so we want to say it be. No, at all. By now, those don't say everywhere the balance line is much more. So they try to okay. So maybe they can't treat and finish. If they would treat that woman finish, that woman day on her feet, we still get a lot of things to do for her. We don't go feel just we don't treat her, we leave her like that. We are still going to see something to better to do for her, for she to do okay. You understand? You know, if you be like all this our young actress now, we say they fly, they come UK, they call the do one or two, they call they meet some party. They put them to some kind of things. You understand? No, person no person, that be Nigeria matter. Person no person, that be Nigeria matter. Like all this our year now with the husband house now, where they not fit the move, they not fit the jump like Scorpion. They not they help them. Now the truth about the time now, they not they help them because all this our year like this is your person on the husband house, and nobody go feel help them. Apart from say it's just a crack come like this, they not go help them, they will give them any connection because it's their husband house. If now young girls they feel current office, they feel press the breast, they feel press the body, they feel not come for young. Now this one they endorse. Now this one they endorse. Now we want thing about our Benin people. Now so we just be. You understand? All this one they feel because hey, you work. Now this one they endorse. That's why they see the young one they endorse so that they build out they buy motor. All the actress, they there. They know they feel do anything. Go see many like that. We feel candy. We not feel candy. Many like that. See them. They know they get 1 naira. They know they get, but not they will bring all this young one up. But this young one because they feel they press their me come for our office and they go endorse this one. They go carry this one call UK. They go carry this one call Canada. They carry this one call this one. The all the power they read the art, where they read the show, they do Benin culture. They know they endorse them. They know they have a German and here. Have a design and here. Raro word. If they fit me so, they know they carry those one they call UK. If they were carry women, consider no we not that single mother way inside. When I saw all this single mother way goes in, we go film punya hand for ye. Now they carry they call UK now. No sir, how they talk now they will say now I'm a bad guy. And in reality. You feel me so? Yeah, no ba. Na la ho wo yo solo ba yemi wa la ho wa get ma ba o gi mane. Ibi ha. Wala ho. E ma wa azeyo. Ni amu ya hospital no hospital. Igoro. We igoro. Hello. What talk by real live video. Okay, there more speaker or speaker. I just found more.
Because I dealt with you day for yesterday when they showed the video where this our sister Orobosa Mama Kaka said she still there some people she give her money. So I said if you want to talk about it, the content in our whole video.
Yeah.
But me I consider yes now. If I come out, I'm going to talk to these people. So my men will work on you now. Yeah. Please emphasize on each motion because we are about this Yoruba test where I see come and die here for when they donate 26 million naira to go UK. That's all they pay all the money. They don't want to let her go. Now when I call the shot for their head. Before they can't allow the woman come go UK. If not that money, when you not supply and you know, but they don't say they want to take and block other people away.
Yeah.
When they do test come out last year, nobody talk about that. That one died because not shoot only for them.
Yes, that's a link. Something like that. Something like that. What I link, something like that.
Okay, God bless you. I mean, nobody donated for her, she died. If only yourself will say they donate almost 2 million. What are the money about that's going to donate? Madam.
Why can I by now? Go to the hospital. By now, supposed to the hospital. Or hospital, my book or hospital.
If the next day, about the 24 hours supposed to the hospital, the people that donate even 1,000 naira, maybe that was the last one they have, just because they wanted to go to hospital the next day. That is why they put that money. A month of one banana, it's just a month now. 26 on I am one at the last month.
Yeah.
Please, tell them. So, if you know me, I tell you not, then let me decide my own. I'm with you.
No, thank you, man. All right. Don't be lying now. A month now, I just complete so. You must stay there. And then we'll see the tax. We need 2 billion. What you want with 2 billion? Now, my billions. This one, I'm billions. You call it go. When I can't go hospital. Or you go hospital. Hospital now want to see. Yeah, they or okay, no balance in there. We will know what to do. We will know how we fit them up. You understand? By now, we're supposed to do UBTH. You understand? They will put out UBTH. They will treat them. They can go the best, one of the best hospital. If not private, they can't go. They can't go. The money day to treat that woman. That woman do okay. No, me say when they pack money for their account, the woman see their house. People see they put money, they see their house. Now go and jadi my medicine now give and make it the military what they say now hospital need to go to. Now hospital I need to go to. Take it to the hospital. Now money na need without bring the money come. Without bring the money come. The family level or terrible or more level. Then if the man the children too small, the pikin too small, now bring the now support them. Hello.
Hello.
What talk about your speaker?
Yeah. Even me when we man in church, I have we be an sister or Latin, maybe think maybe here we like have we pray on a cave show. The man we get point we like have you say we make it in the prayer cave here. Operation why we now take video. Maybe well. Understand?
Yes.
Maybe your own now we will lie in before you kill away. Because you don't know who is who.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so no. But we are simply like we are with prayer.
Mama.
Me sure you see.
Mama.
Okay,
what's
all right.
Thank you.
Okay, all right.
As this our sister talk soon. This will not be prayer. Not be prayer. Not be prayer bring what do they call it, the sickness. You understand? And I am need prayer. And I'm asking money you do not get it wrong. It's just like somebody you need to use knife, cut this thing before this mouth go feel wild like this. You need to use knife, cut them before it go be like this. You can't say no. Before I go use knife, cut them. Let me start prayer. Blah, blah, blah. And now you just a waste of time until you carry knife, cut on before the man go do like this. Not be everything you want to use prayer do. Especially we will not know God. We the shadow, we the cause devil. How many of us those know God? How many of us? How many of us? You understand? What need to do? Do one. Carry and go hospital. Not be prayer. Not be yagivio. Now what make us all of us this day back now? Some people sleep, they don't sleep well. Instead, they come the pain now. See, go sleep through with neck the pain now. For him to enter bed, they give position, sleep well, make the neck balance well. he go about place. He go meet pastor, say, he just sleep, he not sleep well. For inside the sleep, he consider the portion for the dream. For the dream, oh, the pastor goes, oh, it's your foundational problem. It's your father, from your father's house. They are pursuing you need to do fasting and prayer. My sister, enter bed, may you sleep. May your neck balance well again. Don't be any. Hello.
Hello, my brother. That woman where they talk about prayer. Now, what did keep Africa poor? Now, that's why our brain is very poor. Because of prayer. That woman needs medical care, not prayer. They have collected money. Ahab is quick to suspend everybody. Be quick to do something. Because that Ahab is so dysfunctional. It's not working. There's nothing like organization that can work. So the main thing, he has a husband, he has children. They should take their mom to hospital. Except the doctors have said that the woman is going to die. You see, because there's some operation, they say it's 50-50 or it's 70%, 75% chance of surviving.
Yeah.
If you don't the operation. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Except they have told them that the woman is going to die, whether operation or not. That's why they are doing that. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Apart from that, the husband and the children should have the ultimate responsibility to take their mom to hospital for treatment, not at home. Okay?
Thank you.
So this is not a matter of prayer. Nobody should talk about prayer. It's not. It's medical help that we need.
Exactly.
Africa should go about this church politics. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Not be loud. Okay, I want this prayer. And they come for those pastors.
I don't make them fall. They're not a team well. So prayer. Which prayer? When you don't bring church for us, then they go church.
Then they go. Thank you very much, man. This is one. This one talk last so. We both will bring church one. Then now they go to church. Now we put up for head. Now we even do evil pass. Come here on Sunday. You will see we both come out for Saturday. Don't. The old one, you know, they see young boy like me for inside church for here. Young boys like me, you know, they see them for inside church for abroad. Now, all those people don't they go their death. They don't reach time when they want to die. They want to go give their life to God. As they come off inside church, they give their life to God. So they see they light Igbo, they light tobacco, they light cigar. Pastor go preach finish. After he don't preach finish, you come off inside, you come to light cigar. Try for this side for Nigeria. They go see this guy holy. You try that kind of thing for Nigeria, they'll see you're not holy. And then they will the last pass. See their country where they say we teach in our Bible. The same people who teach in our Bible, we bring Bible come for now. See their country where they live. See how they okay, they organize. Their economy balance. But we will be in Nigeria, we carry church, put for head, get. They kill ourselves, they fight ourselves. Nowadays now. Last night, this evening, we'll bring that one come out. Pastor Casey and in fellow church member, where they fight. They are all saga, not a hot saga. We know they do saga. If you see pastor saga now for social media, they are all the hot. They are all the hot. Now they preach say God, now they know God. Now only then they shine. The members, they dirty die. The members, they die and whine in abject poverties. You understand? The small money where the members go get, where they go to invest, to do something for their own life, for their children, plan for their children, they go to pack and they pay off. They give pastors. Pastors go to buy better cars. They go to get in-laws. Why member never even smell e-loss? Now only police e-loss. Now members they see. Pastor they use flat brand new e-loss. Prado Jeep. Pastor go they drive Prado Jeep. Millions of cars. They go to drive. Member go they die the one in abject poverty. For that's what be new with this. Hey, what they all here? They know here. I don't know later. Hello.
Hello, Honorable.
I greet you. I did that video. Or just speak out.
Okay. Problem Honorable Faro. You woman got a more but all those church mata because you have your service. Okay. We my way out is a pastor say out is a man of God. We travel. Many of them when we are travel in Europe.
Yes, no.
They call Europe diaspora for the side. They know everything we say they play for here. Inya is what. Inya to have a bag in my soul. Have one of who are not in a while. And I, if you man over there, we put the diaspora with now. I will educate if family man of the Rowa, Abishima, Abitima, Yafen of the Rowa will be no yatiri. I know what take it to was go back. Okay, imagine, oh no, 8 hours, now hours, be there.